Hello, hi, welcome to Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Here are the pictures of the girl that was deleted by her boyfriend, Sbusiso Lawrence. Sbusiso Lawrence ubulele asingani sakhe ngesihluku waqedela lapho sama pictures waposta ku Facebook watsane video whereby he was telling people ukuthi vele umbulele akhuluma nema reasons lende ukuthi aze aqine endalisahlakalo lesibhlungu ngendlela lesimanga. So girl, she was young, Nkosi yami, and they were both young. Anemntwana futhi besasemncane. Hayi umthishela unemoto uright ugqoka kahle. Oh guys, people are really wondering ukuthi what went wrong ke sana sasaluza bantu labancane ngendlela lesimanga. Batali babuke future, batali basabuke lokwana, but unfortunately uguy decided ukuthi end life ya girl after that atihenge Nkosi yami. So they are both now no more, and people are saying ukuthi they don't feel sorry for Sbusiso. He deserves it. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I'm signing out. So goodbye.